So this is one of the beauties of having a tractor. For a small fee for a towing chain, which is about 25 feet long and about a $40 grapple, I can pick up logs like this and carry them around the property and not even drag them. It's an incredible way to move wood, and it's an inexpensive way to move wood if you have a tractor. You simply wrap the chain around the bucket a few times, hook it onto itself, and then hook the grapple onto the chain wherever it fits best. But you can drive right up to the log and put the grapple right where you want it, or just put the grapple on and then bring the tractor over and hook up the grapple. So you see where I've got it wrapped around 3 times there, and then wrapped on itself right here, and then I've got it hooked up to the chain. Now I could have made it higher where I hooked the grapple onto the chain, and that would have given me a bit more lift, but I've got plenty of lift here where it's not even touching the ground. So I brought it from the front of the property where we've had it as a marker for our property and a bench for people to sit on, and now it's back here by our splitter. I'm going to buck it up into the proper length, and we're going to sell it as firewood, and we're going to do something else in the front. So here's a really inexpensive way to move wood around if you've got the tractor already. I know there's guys on here that have those big log grabbers, and I think they're awesome. I mean, how cool is that? Just not in a position to afford something like that, and our tractor doesn't have the setup for it. So this is a really inexpensive, actually a very cheap way to do it. So I'm about ready to cut this into rounds and then split it for firewood, for our firewood sales. And I'm going to use the tractor, instead of having to try and lift it some way, like with a PV pole or a canton hook, something like that, or try and get straps underneath it when it's laying on the ground. I just grapple it. I'm going to hang it in the air a little bit and cut some ends off, and then I'm going to reposition it to cut the other ends off. Pretty simple. Let me show you how it works. So that's simply how easy it is to use your tractor with an inexpensive towing chain and a grapple. Grapple I think was 40 bucks. The towing chain's what, maybe 60, so 100 bucks. So if you got a tractor and you're doing any kind of woodwork like this, firewood or heating wood, stuff like that, consider using your tractor's bucket with the grapple. It's just the easiest thing, and you can reposition it so you can get a number of cuts off it without having to do anything else but just get back in the tractor, move it a little bit, and there you are. It's a great way to get a lot of cuts out in one easy operation, and it's not backbreaking, not tiring. Pretty cool thing to do, and you can do it with small logs too. So anyway, thanks for being here with Life with Peter. I'm glad you were with us. If you like the video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the little notification bell. You'll always be notified when we put up a new channel. Hit that bell button. You'll always be notified when we put up the bell button. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that bell button so that you'll always be notified when we put up a new video. Thanks again for being here with Life with Peter. See you on the next video. That